Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your iPhone and TV must share the same Wi-Fi network, and the TV must be on the correct input so the cast source is visible. Once done, open the YouTube app on your iPhone and sign in if needed. Make sure any HDMI streaming device like Apple TV, Chromecast, or a smart TV's built-in cast feature is powered and awake. This prevents discovery delays and speeds up the next step, where you now tap the cast icon inside the YouTube app. It appears either above the video or at the top of the app. After tapping, scan the device list and pick your TV or the HDMI streaming stick shown. If the TV displays a pairing code, enter or confirm it on your iPhone. This verifies the connection and secures playback. Make sure the phone stays on Wi-Fi during pairing, as switching networks will interrupt discovery and force you to repeat the process. Once connected, you control playback from your iPhone. Play, pause, skip, change volume, and add videos to the queue. The TV streams directly so your phone can be used for other tasks. To end casting, tap the cast icon and choose Disconnect or Stop on the TV app. If you experience problems, reboot the phone and TV or power cycle the router. Also confirm both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band. This quick reset usually resolves discovery and streaming issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.